sun is shining, the birds are chirping, and gardens all over the world are ready for planting. Whether you have a large garden or a small window ledge, there are great products that can help you improve your gardening skills and help you create your own private green getaway. Here are some great gardening products to see in 2021. Soilstar 3-in-1 Soil Moisture Sensor. The flowers and vegetables in your garden depend on high-quality, nutrient-dense soil to grow as healthy and vibrant as possible. With this simple device, you can quickly monitor the 3 most important factors in maintaining healthy garden soil: water, sun, and pH level. Simply plunge the 2 steel probes into the ground, and the easy read meter will indicate if it's time to water, whether the plant is getting enough sun, and if the soil is acidic. For those who can enjoy their own outdoor space, mood lighting can add a whole new dimension to your outdoor sanctuary. Inner's range of outdoor smart lighting provides ease of use and customization. Choose from pedestal lights, spotlights, and lighting strips for a setup that works for your space. Then control them all using your Inner app on your phone with the touch of a button. Inner's range of lights come in groups of 3, but can be expanded up to 10 using one control box. This product is definitely a space saver. If you're using a standard leaf rake to smooth soil and clear debris from your garden, you know how difficult it can be to fit into tight spaces and in between narrow rows of plants and vegetables. The Easy Travel aluminum alloy rake is lightweight and features a variable width head that you can easily adjust from 7.5 inches to 21 3/4 inches wide. At its widest, it can be used as a standard leaf rake. No matter how small your space is, this rake can be stored efficiently. Click and Grow Smart Garden 3. This is a perfect system for those living in apartments or dorms, where space is often limited. The Click and Grow Smart Garden 3 is compact and lightweight, making it super easy to relocate the planter in a snap. The Smart Garden has an LED light rig, providing your plant pods with all of the light they need. The Smart Garden 3 allows you to grow 3 plants at once and comes with 3 basil pods for you to get started. Again, thank you for tuning in to the Innovation Station. Don't forget to like and subscribe.